If you've been experiencing weird sluggishness with some parts of the interface on the Windows 11 desktop, the good news is because a fix is there. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech updates. Windows latest reports that Microsoft is working to fix the problems that can affect the taskbar, task view, file explorer, and the desktop itself. Seemingly, some users are finding that the taskbar freezes or takes ages to appear. Windows latest notes that the task view can also become unresponsive and that unpinning items from Quick Access and File Explorer fails to work in some cases. These interface problems can make you face a completely blank desktop after booting into Windows 11. All of these are known issues, and Microsoft has labeled them as general reliability problems with the Windows 11. The good news is that according to Windows latest, Microsoft has confirmed that the May update for Windows 11 fixes these problems. But the cure isn't going to show up immediately, and that's because it's on a gradual rollout. So you may have to be a little patient here because these glitches are remedied. Of course, what Microsoft needs to work to right all the wrongs with Windows 11 and ensure that this kind of flakiness doesn't creep in to begin with. This is the reason why some people can be nervous about installing a new monthly update for Windows 11, just in case they find something weird occurs afterwards, like the desktop being blank when they reboot. Microsoft needs to rebuild the reputation of Windows 11 in terms of its reliability and overall stability, and that work has started. But eliminating random and weird interface behavior such as this is a necessary step they must take. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.